In this video, you'll learn how to transfer USDT from Bitrue to your Phantom wallet. This process will enable you to manage your USDT securely within your Phantom wallet, allowing for easy access and transactions on the Solana network. Begin by opening your Phantom wallet application. Ensure that the app is fully loaded and you're on the main screen. This will be the starting point for accessing your wallet address. Next, click on the option labeled Solana at the top of the screen. This will direct you to the section specifically associated with your Solana assets, allowing you to manage tokens on that blockchain. After selecting Solana, look for the Receive button and click on it. This action will bring up your wallet address, which is essential for receiving funds. Ensure that you are on the correct screen before proceeding. Once the Receive screen appears, you will see your Solana wallet address displayed prominently. Click on the Copy button to copy your wallet address to your clipboard. It is crucial to have the correct address to avoid any loss of funds. Now, open the Bitrue exchange in your web browser or app. Ensure that you are logged into your account and ready to make a withdrawal if prompted. Once you are in Bitrue, navigate to the Assets section. This can usually be found on the main menu. From there, select Withdraw to initiate the transfer process. In the Withdrawal section, select USDT from the list of available assets. This action ensures that you are withdrawing the correct cryptocurrency to your Phantom wallet. After selecting USDT, you will need to paste the Solana wallet address that you copied earlier. Ensure that you paste it accurately to avoid any issues during the transfer. Next, choose the Solana network for the withdrawal. Selecting the correct network is vital as it ensures that your USDT will arrive in your Phantom wallet without any complications. Then enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. Make sure to double check this amount before proceeding, as it will determine how much is withdrawn from your Bitrue account. Finally, confirm the withdrawal by clicking the withdrawal button. This action will initiate the transfer, and you may see a loading indicator as the transaction processes. Keep an eye on your Bitrue account for confirmation of the withdrawal. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.